our plan is to have an effective WCC 2021. I thought is a virtual meeting is a better than thinking last minute change from
Yes.
the virtual from the physical presence to the virtual. I thought
Ma'am,
it is
Pavni will be joining us and she will note down, ma'am, the minutes.
Okay.
yeah. If she does it, is good. I think,
Yeah.
but Prerna, she is much
Prerna ma'am
effectively.
will
She knows
also.
what to be written. Yeah,
Yeah.
she knows what to be written and what not to be.
Anyway,
And I
Pavni
think
will
for a
sum up the
Pawan, it may be
things.
the first. That's what. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
what. So what I thought is a virtual meet is the best one. And now the first point of the discussion is how many days we are going to have it and from which days. Like exactly this is coming on a Monday. So should we start from Saturday, Sunday, Monday or Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Either 3 days or 4 days. That is the first point.
My idea is to end on 8th on Women's Day.
I also agree.
That's,
6th,
that's
7th.
I also.
Second
Yeah,
day.
also involving both Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah. We can't do Monday,
Yeah,
Tuesday,
perfect.
Wednesday. It becomes very difficult.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
very difficult.
Yeah, weekdays it will be difficult. Yeah.
Yeah, but is that people will be the more receptive on the holidays than on the working days? Because actually TCT in the beginning it used to be like that. Start on Friday and end on by not Friday, Thursday and end by Sunday. After that, they realize that many people are not joining, so they will have the cursory meeting on Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Like that, they do it. So I had a doubt about it. If everyone says that this is the best, we'll go ahead with this.
Planning to end on Sunday, ma'am? This is what we
No,
want?
Monday.
Monday,
No,
yeah.
it's
Monday is
Monday.
yeah.
Monday
Because
is the last day.
8th is important. Yeah, Monday is fine. Right, sure.
Yeah. You wanted
8th
a
is
3 day
Sunday,
program
ma'am?
or 4 day program?
Three.
8th is a Sunday. 8th is Sunday, I
If we
think.
have to plan, if this
8th
Monday.
is Monday. 8th is Monday.
8th is
8
Monday.
is Monday. So I think 3 days are enough.
Yeah, 3 days max.
yeah, in case we want to plan some workshop or something, that is one thing which we can have it before 3 days, if at all at last minute, we can always have it one in the before days, we can have that. For example, some workshop, something on intervention. Why not? I mean, this is one thing which we can add to our gamut, which I feel some kind of a workshop in which we maybe that can be of a shorter duration for junior fellow colleagues. Why not? I mean, if everybody thinks that that is feasible.
Yeah,
But
that
a
is
kind
that's
program.
my aim of saying is 3 days or 4 days.
4 days.
So I thought
One
4 days you
workshop
can
with
start with the intervention,
yes.
like a live in box demonstration of the interesting cases of each one. So that is the better one I thought. But I wanted the opinion of other people
But
also.
then
You
that
may
would take
say
4
you want
days.
to run a fellows course before?
We should start
Uh,
with the fellows course and then that is the usual
Yes.
pattern.
Yes.
So many fellows. Are there so many fellows who are girls?
the fellows should
Yeah, but
need
it
not
should
to be
be
girls actually.
Fellows
that
can
should
be
not
both the
be a gender.
students. Yeah.
Any student can be like we
Yeah, any
conducted
student.
the
That should not
cat
be a
meets and we did the cat
Okay.
meets and it is about
That's okay.
180 members of the PG students from the different areas. Sorry,
Yeah.
250 members from the different areas. So I think the fellow course can be then anything. But what I wanted is when it is a specific to the women heart diseases, what fellow course we can offer to them.
That's the issue.
No,
So it becomes again general course, general examination. Unless
Yeah.
it is exam
Yes.
oriented, no one will attend it. So then it is becomes not a specific to our conference.
Yes.
Yeah.
First, let's think what we are going to do the 3 days.
Okay.
On 3 days, then we can think, should
We
we
can
add a
structure the program first.
yeah.
Yeah. So actually, I tentatively what I and Sheba and Prerana and Lalita thought I already kept that. We thought of a 3 day program. One is the non-invasive, not clinical and interventional and allied sciences. So the probable topics are also we are already given. Probably you are gone through then all
Yeah.
of that. So what we thought is the case-based discussion is much better than a didactic lectures. So 3 hours or a 4 hours, that is also has to be discussed, and what is timings, 5 to 8 or 6 to 9, that also has to be decided. And all the cases for the 2.5 hours, either 45 minutes or half an hour of the case discussions, like that, 3 or 4 cases, and the end only the 2 presentations, 15 minutes and 15 minutes. I thought these presentations will be given to the international faculty. So sometimes we, I don't know how many people will agree to join with us or not. So for them, we may not able to give the exact case of their interest. So that time, to cover them, we will have the 2 presentations relevant to the that day's presentation, like an intervention. So they will talk about the 15 minutes talks by the 2 people related to the intervention. In allied sciences, like gliptins are the now much more for the heart failure management. So those people can talk about the gliptins, like some examples I'm giving. That's what I thought. Anyone want a modification or any other better way of representing in these 3 days? And which day to be done?
Ma'am,
Which day to do what?
can I say something, ma'am? Dr. Mohanjit here. Good evening, ma'am.
Please. Good evening, madam. How are you?
I am fine.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
please go ahead.
actually, Women's Day, like this is not one day, this is International Women's Week, actually.
No, we
So
can't hear
I
you.
will be having 3-4 days every day.
Yeah.
3 hours every day. So we can start from Thursday. Like, I mean, because we will be having only for 3 hours rather than 12 hours or 8 hours. So 3 hours, and because we intend to incorporate students also, poster presentation, case presentation, international faculty, and then workshops also, ECG class also, and case of the year, like interesting cases. We can do all that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then Monday, we should end up with the closing and cultural and award giving ceremony, ma'am. I think that will be good enough.
Yeah, that
But
is
for
also
4
good.
to 5 days, will we be able to mobilize a lot of people? They have to be there for the conference. Sometimes more days, people start, then less and less people you keep getting in the last days and all. So I don't know whether 4-5 days. No, yes, fellows course definitely only when the students will be interested, only when
Students
there's
will be
more
there.
of case presentations and something which is related to them, which is useful to them. That is going to be interesting for the students. But to hold on the conference for 5 days,
No. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then covering closing on Monday.
Probably you
Yeah,
missed the initial part. We have actually, all of us were discussing. So what everybody had actually finalized was that 3 days we will be keeping. And if we have to add on some other days for a fellows course or some other things like you've suggested, they will be added prior to those 3 days.
Okay.
But the actual gamut would be out. So probably I think you missed that
Okay.
1 or 2 minutes for that.
One more thing is, when we are already dividing, I think only those group of the people are which are interested in that topics. Like I say,
Yes, they will
clinical
join.
cardiology. So the interventions doesn't come. And for a intervention cardiology, clinical people doesn't come. So always there is a problem that when you divide it like that, it is going to have the same number for that. So I'm not expecting that we are going to have a large number, but this is the attempt to include all the international people, because we are confining only to our Indian people. So if you go to the international people also, the 2 purposes. Main thing is they also know about this activities going on, the first thing. And the second one is, we know the more number of the people, and so more regional variation. Like last time when the Dr. Omobala has come, she said the pericarditis is the first treatment what they give is the colchicine. They don't give the ibuprofen at all.
same
So
thing
that
here also.
modification,
Same thing they follow
yeah.
here also.
So that's what. Then we will know the same disease. I'm not talking about the different diseases, like a regional infectious diseases separate and all this thing. But cardiovascular is considered. Most of the time are the diseases the same pattern in every area. So it may be the with a slight modifications. So we will know their ways of the treatment in the other areas. So that is the way we have to spread to the more people, so that we will have the better ideas from them. So all of us should be able to invite all our friends, all our known people, when we are going for the conferences and attending those conferences, and we must be having a communications, and we should able to use all the company people's good offices to get those emails and involve all of them. That is most important. That's the reason why we started the discussion so early. Actually, this more than 3 months we have it, but all the people said that for 3 months is required for the international people, even for the virtual conferences, to confirm it. That's why we started this discussion.
Ma'am, one more thing is there. I have always seen over here, whether it is head of the department or whatever conference it is, they are interested to be in the conference only when it is CME accredited, even the head of the department, because point system is so very important. It was not like that in India, but over here, for me also, like for licensing and everything. So I feel one thing is there, how can we make our conference have CME points, whether it is 5 CME points or 6 CME points, only if it is accredited with CSI and something. It's like only when an Indian body is the one which accreditates it, then we can have a CME point. And somebody, I don't know how to work, I can look into that, how to get the CME points for the conference, because that makes the international people are attracted only once it is CME point. The first thing when you tell them is how many CME points is the conference. Always it is like that.
I think that can be done, no? With CSI, the Jyotsna's good offices.
We can always.
Yeah, but actually, there was someone discussed in the cardiology update recently about the same topic. Till now, the webinars, there is a proposal that the CME credits has to be given, and it is not given by the associations. It is given by either IMA or the central. So it is not the CSA body which can give it. So this IMA we contacted. After this thing, I contacted because I am very much interested in the CME's, the credits getting it. But till now, they don't have any format to give the credits for any conference. But in the center, they said that this proposal has come, especially the Ashok Seth was trying to get that CME. Yeah. So in the cardiology updates, actually, this was discussed. So definitely, you can try, Madam Monica, to talk with the central people and do it. And if it is if you already know what is the pathway and you wanted me to talk with anyone else, and if then any payment is required for that, definitely we'll do it. That is really the essential thing.
That will give a very good edge for the conference also, like whether we'll be probably the first one getting accredited.
Yeah, that's true.
We will be
We have to try.
the PSS and research award presentations in the conference.
Yes.
Yes.
We have to. But major problem I am facing is actually 15 research projects for the PSS program were selected. But actually out of them, only I think Pavani must be knowing it. 8 people or someone is ready to, they're at least they asked for an extension. So with our scientific committee permission, we extended till the January. Usually they're supposed to submit by the end of the November. So that was extended till the January. 2 months at the edge was given to them. So if they submit it, definitely we want it, because this is same 75,000 each of research award is going to be there. So we should have a presentations. But it is up to us whether it is going to be in the main halls, like wherever the discussions are going on, or otherwise we can have it in a hall B, and where they can have the presentations and judges and decide. And as Mohanjit said, and the last day to announce it, that these people are selected for that. Yes, it can be done. It has to be done.
Yeah,
because if we have that will require a day itself. So 2 to 3 hours will take for our awards or interesting cases or interesting abstracts, whatever it is. If we get PSS, fine. Or else we have to keep a section for interesting case presentation and case reports. So that itself will take one session of 2 to 3 hours. So maybe an extra day might be required other than these 3 days.
So on Sunday, maybe that's what we can have some extra hours. Sunday, a separate session where we are, this is.
Sujata wants to say something else.
What we can do is we can start at 4 o'clock and these presentations we can complete. And then 5 to 9, the actual people start coming at 5, 6, right?
Yeah,
that
on
time
Sunday.
we have so prior, that's what we did for the APCSI. We started at 4 and the Sunday program we started at 8. So it starts with the faculty presentations, all the presentations. Then we go to the main conference.
But how many cases are the abstracts you got it for APCSI?
We still have not. 2 hours we gave. We started at Sunday with 7:30.
But my
in the
experience
morning.
for the WCC, previously I have seen it, I have to force my residents, the 24 residents, to produce the papers. I have to give the data. I have to force them to present it. And finally, the last day, the head of the department says that it is a women's program, so don't present it. So finally, hardly we have a 2-3 presentations. So I don't know about the experience of other people.
Yeah, that is always there. Just now,
Maybe we can ask and advertise right from now.
And I asked that they didn't have anything. So I told 2 people, you have to present.
Yeah.
Always,
Shiba, you also last time did, no? How many you are able to get it actually? The papers or case report or the case presentations?
Actually, in our side, we had a very good, I mean, at last minute, so many people wanted to present, if Dr. Mohanjit would remember, because it's now a must that our residents are supposed to present at least one conference. So I think I would try to mobilize all my DM residents that
If they definitely they are there, we should include them.
I will try, ma'am. I do not commit because it all at the end of the day depends on the residents' commitment also. But I think it would be of benefit to all of them. In DMC, it's a must. Like I think for our examination purpose, that they are supposed to present one paper in a conference. And what other could be a better thing that virtually they are able to present and get certification of presentation.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I agree with that. Just
definitely would try, ma'am.
Yeah, I just agree with that. Because it's a part of the IMC now, they are presenting, but they are presenting only their own thesis once in a year. Are they prepared to present 3 times, 4 times?
No, they. Good evening, I'm Dr. Vandana here.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Vandana madam, we would like to see you also.
There's some problem with my phone actually. I don't know what has happened.
Okay. Sure. Please go ahead.
We can have a small session in the morning on Sunday, maybe 2-hour session. And if we start mobilizing these residents at this stage, even MD residents, they have a good opportunity to present. And we have a good number of lady doctors coming up in our MD teaching program. So it will be, I think, an interesting session if we can have some interesting cases in the morning session, just covering up the residents, and we have few of the faculty along with that. Because
presentation, even men can, even males, for students, any student.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. You can present, no?
Any student, but the topic should be specific for women.
Yes.
Yeah, any student, but what Lalita says is the topic should be related to the cardiovascular and female. It can be the allied sciences also. Need not to be strictly only cardiac. So like in the diabetes, they wanted to see the cardiovascular manifestations. So anything related to the females, that is female and cardiac should be there. So because everyone is insisting, I'm very, very happy. But it is our responsibility to mobilize from each center to have at least 2-3 presentations. Unless we force them, it is not possible to. Because till now, I never had it. I'm telling you. I attended so many from the 2007 onwards I'm doing. From the 15 onwards, at least we are doing, but hardly any presentations of either cases or this discussion. So now everyone is active to mobilize their students. I'm very, very happy. So please, we will include it. But my suggestion is why we should have some other time. We will have a hall A and a hall B. So in the hall B, we will ask them to present it. So simultaneously something goes on, so that it won't be like a burden to the other people that they have. If the people wanted to listen, they can go there. And the judges, 3 judges or 4 judges will be there. Isn't that okay?
Yeah, we were thinking that because we want to listen to the whole thing, when the last time also we had this problem, I wanted to listen to some topic, and then this was going on simultaneously. We'll see, depending on the number of things which we get, whether we should have a hall B or whether we could fit it in before itself.
Yeah, but another advantage this time is the recording. So we are going to do the recording everything. Whatever is not able to
Yeah.
hear, we can do it later, which was not a idea for us before. That is one thing. So we are going to have the cases, interesting cases, and the abstract presentations. Excellent. Sorry.
Not
have
only
recording of last year WCC
interesting
also, ma'am,
cases, but
everything.
we should have a one session.
The video recording. Yeah. Last
Yeah.
year's WCC video recording of the whole Hall A, everything is there. I'll find out for Hall B also.
Yeah, but we have to upload on the website. That is
Yeah, I'll
most
give it to
important.
you.
That's what
Actually,
I was
send
asking you. That
I'll-
time there is a
I'll courier
shut
it to you. I
again.
think that is the only way.
Shutdown, and so it was not done. So what we require is we should able to put it on the website so that it will be access to the other people. Yeah. Madam is saying something else.
Yeah, I said
Dr.
about
Hetan was saying
not only the interesting
Hetan,
cases, but we should have a section about the nightmares in interventions. Like all NIC and all, the maximum presence is because people want to learn from, we can't afford to have complications and learn ourselves. But from others' mistake, we can be more wiser also by listening and how they are approaching. So one section in interesting case, also some division about the nightmares in interventions or like that. Yeah.
definitely.
Is it
That's what, as Sujata says, if the more number is there, we will add in another day also. There is no problem at all.
No,
If there's
it's
so many
same thing
interesting cases
also, but
presentation.
we can have some 15 minutes, 20 minutes allotted to this. Yeah.
So is what I want to say is all the cases, and my suggestion, everything should be related to women.
Everything should be related to the women. The presenters can be male members, but it should be for a
But,
woman.
Supposing you're presenting a complication, it should be something in a woman, though it is.
Yeah, so it should be a woman part only, but the complications
Supposing you
about
have some,
the interventions. Yeah.
for example, a talk, if it is on heart failure,
Yeah,
what are the
anything,
specific
anything,
issues related
anything.
to that? If it is you're doing something on hyperemic or non-hyperemic indices, so how are they different in women? I think the conference should be more like to bring out the differences in women. What do you all say? The others.
That is, yeah.
That is
Supposing
mandatory. Baseline is that actually. Not
baseline,
simply bringing out the.
talk on FFR or RFR. It should be how the indices behave in women.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is.
we can be stressing on that, but maybe we can allow some one or two cases in between. If Sujata ma'am and Jyotsna ma'am and all of us agree that because the interest of the conference will be retained. I mean, this complication is maybe every day we can have some two complications being, they can be in women because that will retain to catch the audience. We can have predominantly women, but maybe one or two cases adjusted like that.
So because whenever I think about
mentioned so that,
presenting
because that will be of
WCC,
interest.
whenever I present to WCC, I always think I look for a case which I can present about a woman. What are the
Yes.
differences? What are the problems? What are the issues?
Yeah,
So
but
that's
maybe if
and are we having a live session, Jyotsna?
definitely, ma'am. That is our main this thing. But to catch hold of the attention and if in between we can like Hetan said, this definitely is of interest to all of us.
Yeah.
Look what happened when there was a perforation or when there was a dissection. So if we can add those sessions for maybe crisp 15 minutes only, something like that, that would be very catchy. Yeah.
But like a dissection also, but in the women, like
yes,
are more prone for that.
Yeah, at the end of the day, we can highlight that.
That present with the this. We had a case presentations in that. So they maybe mimic as a ACS, and the people end up into planning for coronary intervention and turn out to be this. So such kind of cases we can discuss.
Yeah, what I suggest is the first thing is it should be primarily the female. As the Shiba is saying, if you wanted to present such a rare case which is happened in the male, let the scientific committee decide whether to select that case or not.
That is right. Yeah, agree.
Okay, Meera wants to say something.
No, I'm agreeing with most of what's been discussed.
Okay.
I have no issues.
Yeah, about Sujata is asking about the live inbox. That's the point of discussion.
No, we are no live inbox. We go live. this time.
Uh,
Live inbox.
okay.
I don't know. Like we've been thinking this for a long time that we replicate what has happened in US. That time I think Annapurna Kini did the case, and there was a panel, and it was an all-women panel, and we could because it's a virtual thing, we could just think about it that we could go live.
Sure. That's what, one extra day. Intervention day. The fellowship day is one, and one is an interventional day. At the time, we can have a one live case, and another 2 hours live inbox. Yes.
A women patient with a women panel with a women international speakers. Hetan is very excited. He's totally brightened up. Women panel, women technicians, women everything.
Audio visual staff also. Everybody has to be women.
Yeah, it was done. And Jyotsna, it was your dream. So better do it.
Yeah, I know it. I wanted to do it, but the support is required.
But
Ma'am,
I
I
think
just want to ask one thing. Yeah, please.
the patient can be women, but the complication may not be related to women, I think. Otherwise, you may not get adequate cases. The patient has to be women, but the complication may not be related to the woman specific. Otherwise, I don't think adequate cases will get.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that's what we are saying, Dr. Chebi madam. What we are saying is, basically we say that it should be a female patients, but if it is an interesting case, scientific committee will decide if it is an interesting one and it is so rare, they will take this male case also.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes, yes,
Okay.
that will be.
Okay, madam. So now about so now we are
how
not
many,
only having
madam?
this intervention, sorry, please tell.
How
Hetan.
many cases we are planning as a live case?
So the
And
first
in
thing
which
is we
subject?
decided
Yeah.
to do a interventional separate
Yes,
day.
but that will be okay.
So
Okay,
in
that will
addition
be
to the 3 days, the 4th day is added.
okay, got
So
it.
now about the intervention. So my intention is to do only one case first. So don't
Yeah,
go
that
for the
is
multiple cases. And another 2 hours we have it. So at
live
that
inbox.
time we can have the live inbox. Okay.
Okay.
So which center is going to do it?
Jyotsna, we can have 2 cases always because you can't. You see, most live
So we
sessions.
can overlap. We can overlap.
They keep doing the case, then you have to go back to room B, and so we project always. It's like live cases are you take 1 hour, 2 cases because they start, then they're doing something, it will be boring. Then you go to the room B, another lab. So that we do 2
Virtually
cases.
also it would be. Virtually also it would be possible, ma'am, with all the technical to have to.
Yeah, because we are trying to do a live case in APCSI. We gave 1 hour for one operator, and then the Abbott guys were suggesting that you might get bored seeing the same case. They only suggested
that is
to
true.
have
Half an hour, so that 2 cases will be finished. But both the cases will have a 1 hour
suppose
time
we
actually.
don't have that. What they said was, why don't you do it with a lecture in between?
No, this is a better one. The half an hour means 2 cases for 1 hour, and keep on shifting from the one case to the one room to another room. But to make it simple, we'll keep it in the same hospital, both the things. That is the first thing. Or otherwise, if it is possible to have in a separate hospitals, is also is okay. Huh?
It's not Nizams to have 2 cath labs. Most of us have 1 cath lab.
Ah, okay.
We have 3.
Ma'am, can I suggest?
Yeah, Suma and Kavita, please
नहीं
tell.
मतलब मैं ये कहना चाह रही हूँ कि अगर मैं इस कमीशन में होती
Kavita, please tell.
Ma'am, to switch over things and all, the audio visual support has to be really, really good.
That is very difficult. I know it. That's why I'm saying the 2 cath labs at the same
Going to be
place.
a big problem, actually. We should really have good support. And one more thing, I had a point, ma'am, like organizing all these things and all. Like I think I always keep discussing about the financial part of everything, actually. So do we really get now good financial support from industry for women conference, or
For Sujata and Hetan is yes.
have a budget?
No.
No, so who's pulling in the money? No, it's a very
No,
important point, ma'am.
they already talked about it. So They came with the idea once they did the groundwork. So we need not to worry about that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can we have an,
Okay.
yeah, this is Dr. Meera. Can we have an hour or two of imaging?
Yeah, that's what. That is my
Yes,
plan.
important
Actually.
Mira, the case will be live with imaging. It will be with imaging all the nonsense. The
Okay.
imaging,
Yes, we'll
your
have
physiology,
no need for separate
everything
imaging.
possible.
Yeah, madam wants echo separately. Not only
No,
that.
no,
if the-
echo,
suppose if you
MR,
are doing the
imaging.
TAVI, then only you will do it. Otherwise, you don't do it now. So madam wants that imaging. Yeah, that is also is a
Ambitious
yes.
would be
It has to
do
be
a
kept.
TAVI.
Yeah.
Ambitious would be to
Who
do
are
a
the
live
international faculty joining us?
Sorry.
The international faculty who are
That we have to
people who are-
decide. That we have to decide, Suma. So we have to. We are having the meeting so early to invite them only. Who can come, who can't come, we don't know it. So now we have to list out the
Means what?
people.
It's a webinar only, no?
Yeah. But they're still, for them, 3 months before they wanted the prior intimation. This discussion we already did with an international people. So that's the reason why we are having it now so early.
So have we decided a date? Sorry, I joined little late. I think a couple of people who joined late. So when are the dates?
Likely to be, that is on the 8th is a Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday is a definite. And the 2 more editions, whether fellow course should be there or not, that is a doubtful. Say now, just now is decided is interventional day should be there. So 1 day prior to that, this we are talking about the interventions. From where we are going to do, how we are going to do. That is the point of discussion now.
Okay.
Good evening, Jyotsna. Good evening, ma'am.
Hi,
I'm
hi.
Rupali.
Yeah, how are you?
Hi, ma'am. Sorry, I joined a little late.
Yeah.
Like regarding this live sessions, because I just heard the discussions. So I think for the live sessions, we can have 2 cases simultaneously, like we do mostly live cases. So we can have 2 simultaneous live sessions going on, but not in the same lab, because it becomes very difficult for the audiovisual persons to provide 2 labs in a single hospital. Because so it would be better we can have live cases in 2 separate hospitals, and we can switch over in between, because putting one lecture in a live case, it becomes very difficult, because sometimes you have to switch in between 2 cases. Then it becomes like the lecture is still going on and some interesting finding goes in one live case, then it becomes a little difficult. So can we plan it like 2 cases from different hospital in a 1-hour session in the live cases?
Why
That would be,
can't
I
we
think,
have
very
2
good for
labs
us.
in same hospital?
Dr. Suma, actually that happens now, like the audiovisual, if you ask now, like in SDPGI, we always do a live case. So they always not prefer to have 2 live cases simultaneously, because then they have to provide 2 audiovisual support to in a single lab. And then they have to provide 6 mics, 2 cameras, and they have to provide a, what we say, a broadband of that. So the net strength, then the amount of internet which is used, that becomes more. So they always prefer to have a single case running at one time. They usually don't prefer to do this. If you ask the audiovisual fellows now, they always prefer it's better to go in a different slot time for the live cases.
Yeah, but we had done like that. We had done 2 labs.
Yeah, even we have done like that. But
so that's
probably that was the explained to them. Okay.
Yeah, that
okay, that is well accepted.
Yeah, ma'am.
Well accepted, well accepted. Either you can do in the same hospital for the 2 labs or the separate labs. But as Sujata says, so many of the labs doesn't have the 2 labs.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, agreed. So one is Sujata's. What is the next center?
Madam, how many live cases
One.
are we looking at?
2
We
live
are
cases.
planning only to the 2 live cases, and within 1 hour, that is half an hour overlap, like a shifting of the
I
one lab to the
think,
other.
that's okay.
If we have one more live
more
case,
centers
we'll
are
have
coming.
it. If there are volunteers, we'll have it. What is there?
If we have more number of centers coming with the
We can
live
go on
cases,
increase.
one
Yeah.
hour we can put every day. That's not an issue. And in
That's
each
not an
1
issue.
hour, you can have 2 live cases.
Volunteers.
So depending upon how many people are coming forward with the live cases. If we have 4
But,
people coming forward on 2 days,
It will
1
be 2
hour we can
hours
have.
on
Yeah,
2
that's
days.
true.
1 hour on one day and 1 hour
Yeah,
on
that's true. So it depends on the volunteers. So
But I wanted all the interventions on a single day. Don't spread it on the different days. because then it is dilutes. You can't go on invite only intervention people at every day. So we have to be the thinking about and other things are also which are equally important for us. Echocardiography is important for us. Allied sciences are important for us.
Right.
But
Yeah.
ma'am, when you are having a session for 3 hours, you cannot have 2 hours in the same day of live cases. It will be difficult. If it is a whole day program, you can divide the live sessions over within.
Sunday can be an option, Dr. Lalita. Maybe if we are able to span it over a longer duration. No? I was just working on that. The live case, Sunday would be an option where it would be easy even to relay from the hospitals. The least distraction, maximal staff and audio visual, and maybe we can increase the time on Sunday, if needed. I mean, I just thought that. The research program, we can have it initially also, fellows course, when we are having, we can club research program, we can club any time but intervention, maybe Sunday could be a better option. We'll get more.
We can have a half
hours. We can increase the hours.
Yeah, I agree. We can have a half day program on Sunday if it is like we can start from the morning 9:30, 10 and extend till 1:32.
Yeah, but I wanted one assurance from the each center what they wanted to do it. So each center, whatever center is doing it, should be able to mobilize at least 20, 30 people. So they go on accept to do it, but there are no people to listen to that. It becomes a waste. So that's what I wanted it. Everyone is interested in doing the cases, but we have to mobilize this also. Either the students or an audience, at least they should able to even encourage that to join.
Yeah, that part I think
this becomes the problem of only organizers. It becomes very difficult. So many live cases lined up on Sunday. About 6 centers wanted to do it. So we are going to have a 3-hour sessions and there is no audience. And only organizers has to see for that. That is becomes a difficult. So everyone has to ensure from the center what they are doing it. They should able to at least mobilize 30 people to join for that.
Today, how many are volunteering to do a live cases? At this stage, how many are volunteering to do a live cases?
At present.
At present.
Yeah, they have to say. Yeah, who wants to do the live cases? That is the first point.
I'll do it.
I can do. I mean.
Okay, Sujata ma'am, who is it? Suma ma'am?
I said I will volunteer for one case.
Sure. Okay. Anyone else?
We'll do it. Dr. Rao here.
Sir, Dr.
Yes,
Sarita.
Rao, yes.
Sarita ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Right. Okay. 2 cases. Okay.
I can do if there is another slot. No problem at all.
Leave about the slot. You tell us your agreement. We will arrange the
slot. Suma is also wants to do it. Okay. Good. Okay. The Sarita Rao and Suma are from the same center?
No. I'm from Apollo Hospital, Indore, madam.
Okay. Sure. Okay.
North and south, madam.
Okay. Good. East and west is required. Anyone else?
Mine would be, ma'am, I will confirm after discussing with my HOD, because being at the institute, I have to be permission.
That is the problem. Rupali, you should be independent. We don't want your HOD. That is major thing.
No, that's
I actually have
permission from him that live case or not.
Okay.
I
Rupali is the plus or minus.
We have some time also. I mean, Sarita and Suma are done, but there are so many other things which need to be sorted out before you can commit to performing a live case, departmental issues and all. So I think...
so first we'll write the tentative.
If you could spare these 3 cases anyway.
These 3 people are definite.
We'll confirm it for all the...
Shiba is also plus or minus?
I want to say this one thing. Live case means it doesn't mean that I'm doing it. I already invited Jyotsna. What I'm trying to tell is 2-3 people can go to that center and then do it. Instead, then we can do. Supposing Dr. Suma wants to do it, some others join in her center. Then we have 3 people there. Because it's a virtual conference, we can always.
I think this idea is good. Then each center.
It's not that I want to do the case. It's that I want a team of women to do the case.
Yeah, that is a great
or
idea,
supported
actually.
by
I
a
think I'll
team,
give it
a
a
panel, and supported
So-
by. Not that
So,
I
so
want to do it.
like one person is doing the live case and another is holding the camera on the imaging part and
Yeah.
discussing about the things. That is a better idea.
So the issue is none for even that. I mean, for people who are institutional based, will need a lot of logistic things because it's not just my commitment. Then
yes, I agree with Dr. Shiba. Like being an institute.
We are doing on the
See,
Sunday.
Shiba, why I agreed to go to Sujata is to come out these problems only. Because
Yeah.
it is in institute, it is difficult for me to go, easy to go to Sujata and do it. So that's why immediately I agreed.
That's
you
what
can say
I was
that,
telling.
you can very well understand that what
I
all.
think that we can have just 2 live cases and the three person can club together. That
Yeah,
would
that's
be
what. That's
Yeah,
my idea. I want a
Yeah.
team to do it. Like I can have Hetan over now to
Yeah,
do the
sure.
imaging
I'm
for
ready.
me.
I'm ready. Yeah.
For OCT
Yeah,
imaging.
she's coming. She's
Yeah,
going to
sure.
interpret the OCT for me, and Jyotsna is going to do the case, and I just do the talking, the easy part. So I'm saying a team. We have 2 teams, okay, to start with, and then as I said, one center. Each center has a team of women, and then they do the case. That would be excellent.
Dr. Sarita Rao, do you have any problem from your end?
No problem at
No
all.
problem. What about Suma?
I don't foresee any problems. Ours is a regular center for most of the interventional conferences. I don't foresee any problem.
Foresee any problem.
So
So
we have-
these 2 people you wanted to combine or you wanted to be separate? Either Suma can invite Sarita or Sarita can invite Suma. Or if you wanted to do separately when.
No. How to travel from here to Indore and all that? No, it's difficult. See, people from Chennai can come to my lab. Like Asha is there, Dr. Jayanti is there, Rajeshwari is there. So many interventional cardiologists are there in Chennai. I think
Okay,
people
that's
from the same
good.
city can come to the lab and then.
Yeah. That's
Yes,
also
ma'am, that's a good option.
So we have
I
3
think
volunteers.
Sarita ma'am and Suma ma'am can do separately and get whomever they want from
Correct.
Vincas. That's a better
Is
thing.
there anybody here from, close by to Indore? Anybody from Central India?
I told you, last WCC, I wished
You've gone
Indore.
too far.
Indore
Gone
is-
too far from Central India actually now. That's the problem.
And Shebas is not only going to that Chandigarh or this thing. From there again we have to go to her place. That is last time WCC really
hats off to all of
organization
you,
is excellent. But the thing is travel is very difficult.
Travel is very far, yes.
So this is the issue.
But organization, I say that is the best till now. Even I have not able to perform so well. She did so
All
good.
because of your support.
No,
Your
not
support.
at all.
Moji is smiling. Prerna is there.
So now the 3 centers.
3 centers, we have it for the time being. We'll just go on to the next part of the session.
Next part, yes. Now the intervention is going to be on Sunday and from the 3 centers. And if anything is getting not possible, then we will have the recordings. Like Rupali is not able to join anyone, or Sheba is not able to join anyone. They can have a live in box recordings if they are
Sarita
willing.
ma'am and
So
Suma
anyone
ma'am,
is willing like that, we can have it. Sorry, ma'am.
any of you can do a TAVR live?
No. TAVR is very difficult to get a patient, a woman.
We had to get a female. We had to get a Hana here and then do it.
Exactly.
She is
Ma'am, we can
there.
have that also. Live in box then. Okay.
We can have a live in box session.
Yeah,
for TAVR. I think
yeah,
doing a
that's
live
true.
case
Or
would be
otherwise, we
little
can ask
bit
Hana to have a live.
Yeah,
We can have that
ask
also.
Hana ma'am to have a live TAVR.
We can have a
Live
different
TAVR.
interventions to club together. Like,
Is it possible to have overseas transmission?
Yeah, I was just thinking of that.
No, that
Too
would be
I
very
don't,
Can we
I
have
don't know. I
overseas
have to ask.
transmission? I'm
Ma'am,
not sure.
expenditure would be very high if you go
Very
for
high.
overseas
That's what
transmission.
I'm.
Yeah.
It will be the expenditure line.
Yeah.
Yes, because for the
Uh,
live national also, no, it's little costly because they charge you, and
They
I think
charge you a
international
lot
also,
actually.
they
Okay.
charge you a lot.
That time we will ask her to have a live in box then. We'll ask
Yes, ma'am.
Hana to have a live in box at TAVI to show it.
Live in box would be good, ma'am.
Good. Okay.
What about
So-
pediatric? We're not putting in pediatric in this.
Yes, it is required. But if anyone is interested,
Ma'am, anyone volunteering for that, we will give the section to them. I'm very bad at that
Everything
section.
is depends upon who wants to do what. Our aim is to include each and every female doctor in this.
Which day
Because
is the inauguration?
I can do one live inbox a pregnant BMP. That is also one of the good case to discuss.
But how are you sure you'll get a case at that
Yes, so that's what we
Then
haven't
we
seen
are
more than 6 months.
time, Dr. Heather? Is it
And one more thing is, other than the taking, no, it's
Yeah.
not a special thing except the radiation and the intrathecal septal puncture, but it is not a different from the routine one. We did so many cases. I think it is may not be.
Okay.
I think. What do you
But
think?
we can discuss the issues like
Yes,
during
yes.
pregnancy.
That we can do it. Like a case presentations, when we were to discuss it, you can show one of the case where you had done it and project it and discuss that case. Definitely.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
And regarding the pediatric, what kind of interventions we are planning? Like
Cecil has come now, the Mazila. Now she is an intervention side for the structural heart disease. She may able to say it something.
Yes, ma'am. We have one pediatric case with malaligned large ASD, malaligned with absent posterior and aortic rims, ma'am. But we have done successfully. I've done an 11-year-old child. Likewise, we have got acquired RSOV, which is very rare, no, ma'am. And acquired RSOV who had already underwent a VSD patch closure. Both pediatric age groups, both okay, maybe we can present it as separate cases, or if I have any other further cases, I can present it as live in box, ma'am. Any one of the structure. Or coarctation in a patient who had Eisenmenger's already, VSD with Eisenmenger with coarctation. But the child, there are very rare case reports where coarctation, balloon dilatation can be beneficial. Only 1 or 2 reports are there, ma'am. With
I have
VSD
one
with
case, similar one case which I'm following up for last 10 years. The VSD Eisenmenger coarctoplasty. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
So you can present a interesting case in the live inbox. But probably the coact with Eisenmengers is a better alternative because other things are acquired RSOV by following a patch closure. The procedure is the same. How we are going to close it? It is not a different from the routine one.
No, ma'am, we didn't go via the routine antigrade route. It was done in the retrograde. So, from the arteriovenous loop, just from the aortic and deploying. So, if you want, I'll send those images, ma'am. You see if anything is different, we will.
Definitely. So you can have a live inbox case from your side. Okay. Any other pediatrics? I wanted from the Mira interesting echoes. That is the most important. I am waiting for it actually.
Shall we have a separate eco session and we concentrate?
So we should have an interesting cases to have a separate echo session. So I wanted to know how much we can discuss about it. Or the new technology. More than a new technology, I think we should have an interesting echoes to be discussed. Then it will be more helpful to the everyone.
Okay, I'll just
you
go
say,
through
Meera?
what material we have, and
Okay.
then I'll tell you like how long we can have it.
Sure.
So we can keep Meera in charge of the eco session, and we have an whatever length. So we are planning a 1 hour eco session. She'll coordinate about what cases or talks or interesting things in women. You will coordinate it.
Yeah, and Rupali and Shiba depends upon their sanctions from their institution, or otherwise they can do the live inbox cases. So anyway, we have the 3 hours, or we can extend it to the 4 hours, or also on a Sunday. So it should not be a problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Done. Done.
Okay. So what? Anything else to be discussed now? Only the fellowship program. Should we do it or not?
We should.
I'm not in favor. The only thing is, I already told you. So you either you have to teach a case, or talk about a clinical science, or tell about interesting findings. It is can't be a specific to the females, and means like
Or
a normal
maybe we can
class.
have, if not possible, maybe we can have another like lot of classes.
I just
take
wanted
place,
that a
maybe
case of
women,
peripartum cardiomyopathy.
That it can be discussed in the cases, madam. We are already prepared a list of the cases which we are going to present.
It needs a lot of emphasis, and it is a case presentation in itself with so many differentials and caught when the patient actually presents.
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
what we are
always
doing
just
it now, madam.
BPCM and
Dr. Shiva, you have something interesting on peripartum cardiomyopathy?
No, it's not like that. We've been collecting cases, but I feel that this is one issue which gets pregnancy actually as a whole, it gets missed, and this needs a lot of emphasis in our conference. This is what I feel when we are presenting.
You know why I asked you this? Is because in the annual PSI in Ahmedabad, I have been asked to speak on peripartum cardiomyopathy.
Okay. Barring a few cases, but I feel that this is a case presentation, how a patient presents. I'll see if I get some more interesting stuff for you.
Including interesting case as a discussion.
Now the problem is about the topics, what we wanted to put it. For the case discussion, everything we wanted at least every day 3 hours. Out of that, the 2.5 hours of a different case discussions, and only 2 hours of the some international faculty presentations. So now who will take care of all these things? That is most important. We prepared some, you must have been seen it, in the clinical cardiology, DVT with PTE. Peripartum cardiomyopathy, long QT syndrome, heart failure with a preserved ejection fraction, which is a common in females, non-coronary calcium as a risk factor for the CAD. All these things has to be presented as a cases, and the panel presenting person who presents the case will pose the questions to the other 2-3 panelists. Out of them, one should be an international one, and the 2 from the local areas. Local means from in India, either from any areas. So the presenter should able to pose the questions to them, and they should be in contact with the other 3 people. The major thing is you have to have some sort of exercise before coming on to the presentation. Because if you talk something and the other presenter says that is exactly opposite of it, it will be confusing to the people. So you should have the consensus. So now each topic we require the people who will take care of what. That is the most important. Everyone is interested in intervention.
Take care of
But now I wanted a clinical cardiologist.
I can, madam, take care of DVTP in a woman, like which I had already prepared in one of the talks.
So you have to one case which has a DVT and a PTE, and how you manage. Don't talk only about intervention, madam. You have to talk from the beginning of either rivaroxaban versus apixaban. It should be like that.
So I think what Jyotsna ma'am is also trying to say is that whenever we are presenting our cases, like there should be yes, Dr. Lalita. Actually, what I understood from what ma'am said, what I understood from her question is that we have a basic format for everybody who is presenting. For example, that if there is one presenter who is allotted a given topic or who has chosen a particular topic, that person actually selects, or maybe we have a team with whom that person can coordinate beforehand, so that the questions, because in that given amount of time, so that the questions are pre-planned, and it comes out as if it's coming naturally, but the basic message is communicated to the people in that short span of time. For example, if we have, like even in CSCI, if they're giving a topic, they're sending beforehand only that this 7 minutes for you, this minutes for the discussion, and the person who is presenting is already in touch with the discussant. So the presenter can be in touch with a group of moderators or panelists with pre-prepared questions. 1 or 2 questions extra, something comes up, that's a different thing. But some given set of discussion can be pre-planned by the presenter himself or herself, who can be in touch. This is what, and if this format is given to every speaker, that would make the flow in a given amount of time, the maximum message and scientific data being delivered to the audience.
I have a question. For example, Hetan has chosen DVT. So she's in charge of DVT. She chooses the international speaker, gets in touch with the international speaker in lieu with the organizing committee. And then she chooses two people who want to talk, and then they coordinate among themselves. Like she is in charge of DVTP to get.
Yes, correct.
Is that way?
Yes, that is correct. And another thing is also not just she will present the case. So she will talk about that some patient has a post delivery, the patient had some swelling of the leg. Then she will stop there and she will ask, suppose you are in the panel, then Sujata, what are the differential diagnosis you wanted to consider, and tell your points after that. And then she goes that, okay, yeah, someone will say that no, we wanted not a Doppler, we wanted a plethysmography. Then she says that what is an advantage of the plethysmography. If it is available, she will say that. If it is not available, why it is not done also, she will say it. Then next question she presents subsequently, and she poses the next question to the other person at each level. Not that it is a presentation by a single person. It is involving the moderators for each question that has to be coordinated beforehand.
You want every session to be done like this? It becomes very
yes.
long time.
Every case, and it has to be not a virtual case. If you don't have the case, then go for the virtual. If the one is taken one responsibility of the one session, like a DVT, PTA, if the Chetan has seen, I would like to see a case what she managed it from the beginning till the end. That is the best one. If she is not able to, then she can take some other virtual images from the somewhere else to have the flow of the recording. It should be like that.
So, ma'am, something like that is like a CPC. It's not just the case present. It's like a CPC. They present something, then
at every level. Yes.
Yes.
That will be much more informative than a simple case discussion. That is only her ideas of managing the case. It is
take a long time actually. They will need half an hour to 40 minutes for one, because CPC usually is a longer discussion actually. It won't finish in 10 to 15 minutes.
That's why I'm saying it should not be a spontaneous question. Yeah, it should not be a spontaneous questions on the time. The people who are going to answer also should know what is their question. Then they will brief it. You see the EuroPCR live cases, how they did it, left main interventions, all 6 varieties of left main interventions of the bifurcation of the different varieties are discussed by the 6 different people. How they are able to do it within half an hour, showing a live, means recorded one, each question. Every person is perfectly estimated what he is going to answer for it.
It's
then
already
it should not be a problem at all.
Yeah. So even
it doesn't take a longer time.
The presenter has to make a case like that there is a question at each and every point, and there are the panelists who are answering everything. So everything has to be pre-prepared, rehearsed also, because it should look as if it's like, it has to be very clean.
Yeah, that has to be practiced before. Then only it is possible. If suppose the international faculty, they are not able to communicate with them to do all those things, leave the international faculty. You tell that we are going to discuss these cases, and the points of the discussions are going to be like this, and you can give the information. But it should be planned in such a way that it has to be done in half an hour. If not 45 minutes, it's okay. But it has to be confined. It's not that now I will start thinking. Once you say that what is the latest trial for the PTE, then I will start thinking. It takes about 10 minutes. Yeah.
So then this kind of sessions, you can't have more than 3 or 4, no? It's very difficult, no? Everything to do like this, to have a case and to follow it through. Very ambitious program, Jyotsna.
After seeing EuroPCR, I thought this is the best.
There is one more thing. It is possible. It is possible if each one of the persons who is there in the organizing committee has a topic and he or she actually coordinates right from the beginning. It is possible. I mean, the only thing is that it needs a lot of effort by each one of us. It has to be coming out as if each person has coordinated. So we don't have to do it. It's the speaker who is presenting, or the person who has the case, who is getting in touch with 4 or 5 people. So it's actually sounding difficult, but I think it can be managed. If you feel,
Once the topic is taken by each person, it becomes easy. Suppose Chetan Madam is taking the DVT thing. Let her organize that half an hour. the
Yeah.
speakers, whomever she
Yes,
wants to
yes.
coordinate. So it is only
Yes.
her work is only
Yeah,
up to that
exactly, yeah.
DVT, that half an hour. So it will
Yeah.
be easy and it can be done.
So the responsibility goes to Dr. Hetan for DVT. For example, Dr. Lalita is presenting something on Occam in a female, she takes the responsibility of getting in touch with her panelists. So it's with the responsibility is with the person who's presenting the case, and then
Yeah.
No, it's very simple. If you just make the presentation and share it with all the panelists.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
The presentation has the questions in it.
Yes.
So if you just share the presentation.
In advance, then it will go with the flow. There
Yeah.
won't be more time consuming. Yeah.
Yeah. In fact, every speaker can make a small WhatsApp group which puts the speaker and the panelists where a common thing can be posted, a simple PPT can all, and then it would be very smooth, I think. As everyone.
Okay.
Perfect. Yeah.
So we already have a volunteer, and I think the next topic is
So like
Shiva is
that,
already volunteering peripartum cardiomyopathy.
so
The
like
next-
that, I wanted the names for all the topics. If anyone want to change the topics, they can change the topic. And please write the names of yours against those topics, so that it becomes easy for us to prepare the final one.
Ma'am, when are you planning the inauguration of the event? Or the 4-5 days? Is it at the last day with this thing? Means like everything has to be, I feel like in the whole program, if it has to be coordinated as a conference, the way ERC did, you will probably would have to have a small studio with non-medical people to coordinate the whole conference, like comparing the whole conference. There has to be a studio for a conference, even if it's virtual. The way ERC did it, European Council did it, it was excellent. Like it cannot be that we have a Zoom sessions and we are just, it should look like a conference. There is to be a small studio where two people sit like a compare. They don't have to be medical people. Like they are the ones who have to announce it actually. Now this is going to take place and please join the session. Like the way we do it in the normal conferences. So one studio has to be created live, actual live in your place. Somewhere to coordinate, because that will give it a shape of a good conference. Like it cannot be just random that we are presenting something every time. Somebody has to start it every day.
And especially in between the sessions, I totally agree with Dr. Monica, because in between the session, suddenly the chairpersons leave and the other chairpersons comes. So there is no coordination of who was the chairperson of the earlier session.
They have to announce the speaker. They have to tell
and the timing can also be then modified. It's like what's the timing of each session that the two comparers, whoever it is,
It's like an event
coordinate
manager
the
taking
timing.
place of the event, actually, the whole event.
Anchors are needed. Anchors
are needed. That may not be a doctor, because they just have to announce that this is going to be announce the speaker for that and the panelists for that, and then we take over. So like it just gives a structure to the conference.
May not be doctors, but maybe doctors.
Yeah, anything. You can have the juniors. There are so many MBBS students and all that. Like you are in an institute. I'm so helpless at this point of time because I'm in a place where I'm really not able to do much, but I still want to be a part of whatever is happening. Maybe I will moderate some session like ma'am told DVT, so questions are there. So maybe I can, join in something like that, those kind of things to answer things and all that. Because I've not been in any cases since 1 year.
About this, circulate the topics list to all of you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, it is there in the WhatsApp group, madam.
WhatsApp group. So in that, if you can give the name who wants to present and who wants to moderate, it becomes easy. And suppose someone is opting for some other topic, you can mention it so that we can finalize that list. And then it's because it's a virtual, anyone else can join. Suppose it's DVT and madam wants to join in that. That's okay. That is always, we should know whoever is joining in that. So if you can get the list in a week or so, it becomes
Dr.
easy.
Padmavati, like because of Dr. S. Padmavati, are we planning something? We lost a legend. No?
Yeah. We already actually, our special issue was dedicated to her. It is already published and it is on the online also.
No, any oration and all your
oration we already have on her name.
Okay.
Since 2015 we are doing it. Every year we do it. And the one more thing is, I wanted everyone to take an active participation, like an intervention. So now everyone came forward to talk about the intervention cases. But I don't want to leave a single topic which is written there. not to be taken by anyone else. That's what I required. Suppose if it is you think that the gynecologist is required or a diabetologist is required. Like actually, I included Annie from Nizams. Actually, she is a diabetologist. So like that, if you wanted to include allied sciences people, please include them. That is the most important. And please take it. Don't leave in any topic. And if you wanted to add any more or you wanted to remove any more, so that we can then formulate how many days we require and how much we require, all those things can be done. And I'm happy to say that ABBOT people are trying to support us. Mr. Ravi Kiran, who is also joined. So let them decide about how these organizing the what do you say, inaugurations. Is that possible to have a real virtual platform to have the inauguration, as Monica is just now told, whether all those things are possible or not. I think he is also listening. So probably he will come back with us about the
We have
improvements.
to create a small studio at one center. There has to be one studio where there are some people, because that can be managed still.
He's raised a very important, valid point also, no? That
good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, he's raised a very.
Yeah, Ravi, please tell.
Ma'am, one point from my side, apart from the studio plan and conference, maybe you could consider when you are choosing international faculty, the different time zones and the weekend being Saturday, Sunday. Maybe you can opt faculty as per their time zones, because certain international faculty, we see them not being available on Sundays. So maybe you can fix the time differences and pick up that particular zone of a country which suits the time. Because we are doing in the evenings, it should not be early morning or late midnights for them, so that they fix into that particular agenda of yours.
Yeah, actually, he offered that if you give the names of the people who international people, he will try to contact with them and take their acceptance. And another concern he is telling is about the timings, because for up to the London it may not be the difficult, but in the UK and Australia it is going to be the US and Australia it is going to be difficult. So we have to think that it is not a fixed timings what we can think. Like sometimes it may be 8 to 5 to 8, sometimes it may be 6 to 9, like that. And so we have to a little bit flexible on the timings depending upon their acceptance. This is insisting from the beginning. But first we have to give the names to him whom we are going to call. Then he can tell us these people are when they are available and which day they are available. So depending upon that, we have to adjust our presentations also.
Ma'am, one more point. We can create a central email database which goes from your desk as an organizing committee chairman or head. From there, all the invite emails for the faculty chosen will be sent, and seek their availability, and then further confirmation, and then topic. So everything should go from one email desk, which is either the chairman of the program or the organizing secretary of the program titled, and the email ID would be as a conference name what you give. So it will be a uniform email which should go with. That is the practice what we follow in other programs, where we create a uniform email ID. You would have already coined a name for the program, so the email will go on that name, and we will run those emails for you to all the identified faculty to revert back their availability and then suggest their topic, all those stuff. But the ideal thing,
the conference name is WCC 2021. So you can create the email on that.
We can create an email ID on that name, and then start sending out emails to these what do you call identified faculty, international faculty per se, and seek their availability, especially keeping the time zone in the plan. So you can keep the program schedule same, ma'am, in terms of your India timings, because that will create a similarity for the attendees. What I suggest is you don't change your program time. Maybe you choose such a faculty who will fit into your time zones and the day.
Yeah, but what my request is, we can give the names to you, but you have to find it out the email addresses and everything to send to them.
Ma'am, that can be scouted out. That can be scouted out. We can search around and try. And ma'am, I think the networking will help. Your networking also will help. We can also search from our side and start sending emails to them. Maybe in your peer group, you may find a contact. In your peer group, you may also find some contacts. If that helps.
I think it is better if doctors invite them.
Exactly. Yes. So ma'am, what I'm suggesting, Suma ma'am, is Suma ma'am, even when we don't write as a company, the email will go from the chairman's or organizing secretary's desk of your company.
Okay.
So somebody receiving an email will receive an email from the conference name and the content, and it will be undersigned by the chairman or organizing secretary of the conference.
Okay.
There'll be no company name, there'll be no individual name.
No, even then, like suppose if we speak to them personally, I think there is a better chance.
Ma'am, that comes from your peer group. That comes from your peer group, wherein you can connect with them daily and put a work together.
No,
it works well.
Yeah, I think this email work has to be. I think the email contact should be there for the senior people, already renounced people, where we may not able to communicate with them telephonically. But all other people of our classmates, our seniors, our juniors, we ourselves can contact them through the WhatsApp or anything, and we can confirm their presence. That is not a problem. And every person need not to be something presenting in this. They may be attendees from the international also. Actually, when I talked with Rama Bala, she said that they have a separate association for the Indian doctors and the UK-based Indian doctors. So she wants to send the whole of the list to us. So we will invite all of them. Like that, we can invite all of our classmates and everyone to be that. If they say that they're not experts in that particular, but we can request them to join for it. So that we can do it from our end. So this is mainly for the
thyroid problem.
Ma'am, if you allow one other request, whatever email database you have, if you can centralize it and share it with us, there will be an email blast which has a flyer of your program, agendas of your program going on a periodical time to all those email IDs.
Yeah, I will give them all the list what we have.
Your peer group, whether you're a class group, a college group, or maybe the DM students, postgraduates, or any associations like CSI group, whatever email it is, if you think you can share it to us, we can create a compiled email list of 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 and create a email blast. The first email will go with the announcement of the program. The following emails will go with the agenda of the program. And the following emails will go with the faculty of the program or the messages from the organizing secretary. It can be periodically be sent over a period of 2 months as per your convenience. And we can create that email. The bulk emailing is available. We can do that through our vendor.
Okay. So now I think
there's another point, ma'am, someone has raised that in case some international speaker cannot be available at a given point of time, if needed, if we have someone special and we want to have, there can be a pre-recorded session. So there is one suggestion which is there. A record.
That is only for the present. The 15 minutes talk, only 2 talks we are going to have it. So that time they can have this. But whatever the case discussion they have to be. Suppose at that particular time they are not available. That's what Ravi is saying. So we will shift to the some other day for them when they are willing to come.
And one other suggestion, ma'am, in case if the presentations can be advancedly shared with us, in case if any presenter has a bandwidth issue of the internet, not able to run the presentation, probably the IT group can run your presentation and maybe you can just speak on that presentation rather than finding
that is always advisable. Always it is advisable to presentations and the central area. Yeah. Every time it is, everyone say that they can share it. They insist on sharing, but it is not at all advisable. It is the best thing is to give to the center, let them project it. And you can ask them to stop at any time and then you can ask the question. It is not a problem. I think we should insist on sending the central presentation, not on the sharing it every time. Definitely not.
Ma'am, one request. I think if somebody is comfortable in doing it, I would. I think the comfort lies with the presenter where they control their
we are seeing it. Na? we are seeing the intervention meets, we are seeing the monthly meets. Everyone is confident. Even I am confident that I can do. But at that moment, what happens to me, I can't say it.
Ma'am, but we are looking at not a 1 hour, 2 hour session. It's a big conference. What you're looking at, you have multiple talks, multiple presenters. If people can off back end need to run all the presentation one after other, sometimes it may get mixed up. So maybe with the team, IT team would have a backup would be better in case if somebody is not able to run, we quickly scale up and run your presentation. Rather than running every presentation, then it will become too tough in terms of handling the bandwidth from the hosting side. Because when we are doing from Hyderabad, for example, we will be the host of the entire program. And if we get compromised on the bandwidth, your entire program will get collapsed. So maybe you can use the presentation deck as a backup. Whoever is sending, it will be a backup. It will be created as a that particular session wise. We keep those presentations. If somebody is not able to run, we pull it back up and run for them.
Okay. Okay then.
I think Mr. Ravi, what you are trying to say, whatever the conference we conduct, like we always say the presenter to upload their presentation prior to what they are presenting. It's just like a center which you want to say. So we can ask these, whatever the presenter is, that one day prior to their presentation, they can just upload it on the website or whatever the contact we can give them. It just, it is a smooth run.
We can give a Google Drive, but I suggest, ma'am, not one day before, because we need to arrange it.
Maybe 2 days, whatever the comfortable is. You can give it 5.
Yeah, a little advanced to. And maybe we can give a Google Drive or something where they upload everything and we download and keep it as a backup.
Yeah, I think that in conference, I don't think there's an issue, because in small meetings, sometimes there's an issue, but in conference, I don't think people, sometimes people usually load it, because in like real conferences also, we load the presentations prior to it, whatever the presentation we are going to a real conference.
That's ideal when you talk about international programs, when you have a physical meetings, but when we talk about webinars, most of the physicians, they say
webinars and conference are different. So, yeah, that's what webinars, conference are different. So maybe that in conference we can.
Yes, that's the only. The idea is just to pop up as a backup, ma'am. Dr. Satpathy, ma'am, you're on mute, ma'am. We can't hear you.
Those persons also can.
Ma'am, I think your internet is not stable. We can't hear you.
The central station 1 day earlier, and if they're comfortable, they can run a pre-trial session. Okay.
Ma'am, you're breaking. Looks like your internet is unstable. Maybe you can switch off your video and talk.
What I'm trying to tell, those international speakers, they can have a trial run 1 day or 2 day earlier from the central station. And if they're comfortable, they can try from their own side.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, you have to load.
The dry runs can always be scheduled for all the presenters as per the need.
Yeah.
That's not a problem.
Right.
That's very much, that's the normal practice what we do. Unless a presenter says I'm fully aware about this particular platform, I don't need. We always suggest somebody to do a
if there's a problem, then only the central station will run. Otherwise, they'll try from their own side.
Ma'am, see, normally dry run is one-on-one because there'll be only 2-3 presenters and then one IT guy who's running it. But when you talk about the meeting, especially again the odd times, dry run, if you're doing at a morning time, your internet is really good. But when you come to the meeting, it's in the evening time and your internet is overloaded. It doesn't run sometimes. So we are talking about those kind of situations. So if they can share as a backup, as a uniform practice, it will be good.
Yeah, everybody will share, but whether they'll run from their side or from the central station depends on that. Everybody will share their presentation.
Absolutely, ma'am. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now I think we are almost discussed everything. Same the minutes of the meeting will be circulated to everyone. And so finally, I think it is a 4-day program. First day is going to be the days we have to decide. One is the clinical cardiology, one is an interventional, 1 day is an allied sciences, and what is the third one? What is the other one we wanted?
Clinical intervention, allied sciences were 3 decided. Then
we wanted to have a workshop. Okay, 1 day workshop.
Workshop or we have the case presentations where we have
research
and a slot for the echo. If Meera ma'am tells us how much time she requires for the echo, we have to adjust all this. So maybe we will require 4 days for the whole thing.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, I'll just take your leave because I have a patient to be seen.
Yeah,
and I'll
yeah.
just later.
Anyway, all of us
And
are
nice
leaving.
seeing you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you all for the advices. And if anyone wants anything, please put it on the WhatsApp group. What we have it, if anyone want a modification.
Can we have
But please
the
first
name?
take your own topics.
Yeah, can we have the names
Only Hetan
within a
has
week?
taken a topic. Nobody else has taken
Yeah,
a
that's what.
topic.
We
Anyway,
will not
they will
discuss
do
it
it
now.
now.
Within a week, if we can have the names, it will be easy for us to finalize.
And please give the suggestion and tell your international faculty. That is the most important. The superior most should be females. Superior most percentage
Ma'am,
your friends. Give all the list.
Ma'am, one point of understanding. When you say about international faculty, how many slots are you creating for the international faculty so that we know these many people are need to be looked upon? Like,
I will tell you all those things, Ravi. Once we have these
once you
names
put a
finalized,
framework,
then I
ma'am,
will tell
once
you.
you put a
Yeah.
framework, we can discuss that, ma'am. Accordingly,
Sure,
we can
definitely.
start chasing those many number of people.
Sure, I will do that. I will do with you. Tomorrow I will talk with you about it.
Oh, sure,
Yeah.
sure.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can we have a topic on prosthetic valve in pregnancy, ma'am? We have a lot of cases with
Definitely,
data.
madam. You put it in this thing. If that is not there, I remember there is a topic on that. If it is not there, you please include and suggest your names and people, everything. Whatever you wanted, yes, you can suggest it. But you should able to justify for that topic. Not just giving the topic, you should able to organize everything for that.
Okay. Sure.
Sure. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you very much. And actually, special thanks to the Rahul. In the last minute, he agreed to prepare this meeting and is able to do it. And I'm thankful to the Ravi to giving the support for the conference. And all the people came and gave the very real advices. And it will be more happy if you can put it in the same thing on the WhatsApp any further. And if it is required, we will have another meeting also subsequently.
Thank you.
Ma'am, our platform
Thank
is
you so
always
much.
Thank you all.
our platform is always available for you, ma'am. So we look forward, and I'll also share the recordings of this meeting for your further reference.
Thank you very much. I hope both Prerna and Rahul both have made the notes of it. Prerna is not talking a single word. I thought she will be more active. Anyway, she's doing the more
I
work
have
than that.
written everything. I was
It's
sharing
good.
the WhatsApp.
She's
group,
actively
ma'am.
writing now. Jotting down the thing.
She's so cute face. Whenever I see her, I get stimulated actually.
Now you have to talk to Diana again, ma'am, biogenetic advance.
All the cardiologists.
Yeah. Thank you all. Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you,
Joshi.
ma'am.
Thank you, Dr. Shiba.
Bye.
Thank you, Dr.
Bye.
Kavita. Thank you, Dr. Sarita Rao. Thank you, Dr. Prerna Goyal. Take care, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Very
Thank you,
meeting.
Dr. Hetan, ma'am.
એ જગ્યામાં એગ્રીમેન્ટમાં પેલો બહુ ખેંચે છે અત્યારે જ નિલેશ બતાવે છે એ બહુ આમ કહેવાય ને કંટ્રોલ કરવા જાય છે એટલે એ થોડુંક ટોકન એને આપ્યું હતું પણ હવે જોઈએ